Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon from where you are watching. Welcome to my homegrown fruits and vegetables channel. I'm actually going to harvest my second bag of potato today because I can't leave them there for too long. They may start getting rotten. So come with me. Yeah. So here we are. Move this a bit. So you just open this. Right? I wonder what we will find in there. But I know that the soil is still usable the next time. So I'm just going to put it in another bag. I don't waste it. Don't know whether you can see. Hey, the tiny one has already started showing up. Hey, but yeah, these potatoes, they did not. I don't think they grew that big. You can see very tiny ones. Just put this off. They're really small. Hey, the first one, I don't know whether I can even find a lot of things here. Potato here today. Oh my God. Not much. Not many. And they're really small. Okay, can see one there. Can you see? When you grow a potato too late, this is what you get. What a lesson I've learned. Anyway, first time in Uganda we don't grow Irish potato, so no, this one has not done very well at all. At least the first one had a lot. Maybe they're there. Okay, something is here. That is something. Eh? Okay. You know what? Not many, but they're really tiny. Got some big ones here. Okay. Oh, they're deep down. Yeah, not bad. Okay, got another one there. All these are all precious to me. They are very precious. When I find that they're, it's exciting. They are precious. They are precious. Tiny. They tried. But you know what? There's time for everything. Yeah. No, I think that's it. I can't find any more. No, there's no more. No more. Yeah, there's no more. That's it. That is it. Oh, what's there? You know what, guys? I'm even tempted to, because this is not enough. So I'm actually going to get another one. I'm going to place another one. Yeah, I'm going to do this one as well and see what. Ooh, look at that! Hey, oh God, this is good. Good, good, good. Yeah, I'm going to do this one as well. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this is exciting. Ooh, this one is good. Oh my God. I hope there are more in there. I hope there are more. There should be more, that one. There should be more. There has to be more. There must be more. Eh? Can't be just, is that it? Is that it? Oh my goodness. That's not too good, is it? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. I got some here. Okay, more here. So I think I need to put some oil, the soil here. But I think there might be more down there. There's a tiny one there. Just a few. No, no more. That's it. Interesting. Interesting. So, let me just show you what I've got. No. Hey. I don't know whether you can see. I will show you after I wash them. Not many, but you know what? It's something. This is like 1 or 2 pounds worth of potatoes, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I stop at that one. The next time I will do those 2. Yeah, next time it will be those 2. So let me just show you. Oh my goodness. Look what I have said. From 2 bags. The first bag actually yielded more when I did the first time. Second one, third one, few. But better than nothing, isn't it? That's it for now. Bye. So guys, these are the potatoes that I actually harvested from 2 bags. Can you imagine? Just 1 tray. So you can see these ones here, they're bigger. You know, so from biggest, bigger, big. Small, smaller, smallest. That's how it is. So you can see, they look so clean. They just look so clean. They look perfect. Perfect. This is a kind of potato that you don't actually mind eating with the skin, because it looks just, you know, very clean and healthy. They may be small, but they are really good. So that's it for my 2 bags of potatoes, and probably next week I will finish now the last 2. I will finish harvesting them. God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.